Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do some track cleaning with this Broadway limited imports Y6B. This particular model is unlettered. I just have it on slow speed right now. I'm just going to bring it forward a bit. I did the startup sequence about a minute ago. This is one of my favorite engines that Broadway made. In general, I love the Y6B. Let's stop it here. Let's try the whistle and horn, whistle and bell, I should say. Let's go to full speed. Thought I would do some track cleaning today because I'm planning on doing a video with 2 Berkshires and 2 Yellowstones shortly. Please wait for those videos. I haven't made them yet, and I need to edit them also. Let's put it in reverse here. I want to see the light on the tender, the backup light on the tender come on. Yep, there it is. Okay, now we'll go forward. I have a caboose sitting out there. I was going to hook it up, but I decided not to. I just wanted to focus on track cleaning today. Let's go to half speed because I had my electronic track cleaner come off. I'm going to take it off now. Shut it off and then take it off. There we go. And I'll just put it over here. The Walther's track cleaner does a great job. Just really nice job to the rails, very clean. Let's increase the speed there. Oh, let's go to half speed. Smoke generator is pretty good on this one. Let's slow it down even more here. And we're going to do the shutdown sequence. F9 for Broadway. Nice. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.